Hello friends, nice to see you back. In this tutorial we are going to learn is null operator and is not null operator. Here you can see a dummy student table, and by mistake Sophia forgot to provide her age. So you can see age is blank. By default it stores a null value. If we do not use not null constant for each column, then we can leave this column blank. So now I want to extract those students who do not provide their age, something like that. In that case we use is null operator. First we need to type where clause, and then we need to provide the column name, in our case age, and then we need to type our operator is null. So this query going to retrieve those student who forgot to provide his age. Let's see how we can use it with select command. First we need to type select, then we need to provide columns name from our table name, where columns name is null operator. So this command going to retrieve all the null values, and if we want to retrieve those kind of value which is not null, then similarly we can use is not null operator. Just you need to type is not null. It's going to retrieve those result who don't have a null value to the particular column. So let's start the practical and try to understand how it's work with our SQL command. So I already opened my SQL Workbench application. With that I also open XAMPP control panel. So first I'm going to start Apache, and then I'm going to start MySQL. So now it's ready for connection, and I'm going to double click on my connection name. Here you can see a table named person, and if I double click on this icon, you can see we have 5 records in our table, and we have 4 columns on this table: ID, name, age and city. If you notice, here you can see there is no age value for Sushmita and Krish, and we know that if there is no value, it pretends to be null. Now I want to see those values from the table who forgot to insert their age. For this I'm going to type select star from our table name, and our table name is person. Then I'm going to type where clause, where, and I want to check age column, and then I'm going to use our is null operator. This command going to return those students whose age is null. If I execute this code, you can see it's returned 2 students, Sushmita and Krish. They forgot to provide their age. Similarly we can use not null operator. If I use not null operator, it's going to return those students who provide their age value in age column. So if I execute this code, you can see it's written Advan, Amar and Rohit, and you also can see their age 24, 23 and 22. Just remember one thing: nulls mean empty, not nulls mean not empty. We cannot use between not like operator to check null value. There is only solution to check null values: is null or is not null. I hope now it's clear for you. Thanks for watching this video.